Alright guys, and welcome to my review of the Edifier MP700 Bluetooth speaker. So it does have Bluetooth 4.0 with NFC, it does claim to have 8 hours of rechargeable battery life, 2-way speakers with electronic crossover, 3 passive radiators for enhanced bass, and 36 watts RMS. And of course it does have the aptX audio technology. Now I've got to go on a bit of a rant here because Edifier packaging has to be the tightest on earth. There's just no way you're not going to split the packaging when you get this out the box. Alright guys, so here it is, the MP700, and I'm not going to lie, it does remind me a lot of a handbag, a women's handbag, but quite honestly, when you look at it closely, it's got some really nice details going on, nice mesh going on, and just really premium build overall. Obviously you can move the handle at the top only in the one direction, mind you, and obviously this helps to put it into a different position. And those buttons on the top there are really quite responsive, quite nice to press into. So let's talk battery life before we get into the audio samples. It's advertised for 8 hours and that is pretty much exactly what I got from this product, so not bad battery life, but I would have preferred a bit more of course, but you know, that's just how it goes. And on the bottom of the MP700, unfortunately there isn't a great deal of grip going on. It's pretty much a thin layer of rubber doing the job there. The thing I've noticed most when it comes to the MP700's audio quality is the fact that percussive instruments really do shine through with this device. They just sound really good, really crisp, really out there, really great quality. The same goes for mids and highs as well. Bass is really good, really overpowering at times actually, but in a good way of course. But what do you guys think? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. Big thank you to Catherine at Bleat PR for the sample, I really do appreciate it. The link is below if you want to check that out. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and I'll talk to you in the next one.